our sense of origin, especially the people of color. If we all understand that we, the people of color, we were the first people that were created by the Creator. As created by the Creator, what happened was the Creator then assigned us to be the custodian of the world. Whilst we are being the custodians of the world, He then defined our culture and traditions based on spirituality.
Right.
If you speak about our culture, you cannot divorce spirituality from us. If you speak about our culture, our traditions and custom, you don't divorce us being the first inhabitant of what we call Israel today. When you talk about us, you cannot divorce us as the people of color, that is of Hebrew. We are the custodian of the culture on earth. The Creator, what He did, He then assigned us to be responsible for the replica of heaven on earth. If you understand where we're coming from that perspective, then you'll understand that when the Creator created heaven, when He then created earth, He made us the people of color who are the custodian of melanin, who are the custodian of the earth, to become managers on behalf of the Creator.